Some people, because they are new to YouTube, they will end up uploading their videos using the YouTube mobile app. Now, if you know that you are uploading your videos and you are using this plus sign, that is part of the reason why you are not getting views. Possibly your views are stuck in 3 views, 10 views after days of posting your videos. Now, before I show you how to upload your videos the right way, let me show you these top secret tips on how to get more subscribers and more views to your YouTube channel. If you want to get more views and more subscribers to your channel, stop focusing on your new subscribers and your new viewers. Instead, focus on your current subscribers and your current viewers. Now, here is the reason. After uploading your videos, right, the people that will come to watch that particular videos are your current subscribers and your current viewers, and once they are watching that videos, the more the video gets engagement, the more the visibility the video will get. That is, the more the YouTube algorithm is going to push that video to more people, and the more people are watching that video, the more you gain more subscribers. The more you gain new subscribers, the more you gain new viewers to your channel. So this is very simple. Before you upload your video, let your focus be on your current subscribers and your current viewers. It is very, very important, and it's also help your YouTube channel to grow very, very fast. So now let me show you how to upload your videos the right way. First of all, if you feel this video is what you would like to watch, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Now, stop uploading your video from the YouTube mobile app. Reason is because there are a lot of features that is not in our YouTube mobile app, which is in our YouTube Studio dashboard. Because once you are uploading from your YouTube mobile app and you're using this plus sign, you'll just go directly and upload without including those features. And without those features, the algorithm is not going to notice your video. That video is not going to gain more visibility. That video is not going to get more views. That video is not going to gain more subscribers to your channel. So you have to always use your YouTube Studio dashboard to upload your videos. Now let me show you the easiest way for you to upload your videos using the YouTube Studio dashboard. If you know you don't have a laptop, just go straight to your Google and type www.youtubestudio-dashboard.com. So now guys, without much being said, let us dive straight to our YouTube Studio dashboard and get this done. So this is the desktop version of my YouTube Studio. I'm actually using my phone for this tutorial. You can also use your laptop if you have one, but if you don't, just go ahead and use your phone to learn how to make use of these features on your videos if you want to gain more visibility and engagement and get more views on your channel. So you click on this plus sign here, you click on it, then you see upload videos, then you click on upload videos, right? So you come to this place, you see select files, you click on select files where you see photo library, take photo or video, then choose files, then go to photo library, then you scroll down to the video you want to upload. So I'm going to go for this particular video, click on it, then you click on add. See, it's loading. Okay, good. So this is it. So it will bring you to this place where you see details, video elements, checks, and visibility, right? So on this place you see uploading videos. It shows that the video is loading. So when you look down here, you see uploading videos, the how many minutes, 3 minutes left for this video to be fully uploaded, right? So here you put your title, your description, your thumbnail if you want to add your thumbnails, and then you just select your playlist here, and then choose no is not made for kids, then click on this show more. Then once you click on this show more, it will bring you to this place where you see alter content, click on no, then come to this place and so on. Make sure your tags are intact. These are fixed tags. So if you don't know how to do this how to create these fixed tags, guys, just let me know in the comment section and I'm going to teach you how to do that. Make sure you click on this allowed embedding and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Yes, like don't forget what I said you should focus on your current subscribers and your current viewers, because those are the people that will watch your video once you upload a new video. And you know that the more your viewers or your subscribers watch your videos, the more engagement that particular video is going to get, and it's going to gain more visibility. You understand? And the more visibility, the more the algorithm pushes the video out there to new people, and that is when you get more subscribers and more viewers to your channel. That is it. So the video has loaded. So you come to this place, video elements, right? These are the features I'm actually talking about, right? After putting all those details there, then you come to this video element where you see add end screen and add cards. I've talked about end screen and cards several times on my video. If you are not very clear in this video, you can just go and watch my videos for you to be more clear on it. So I don't know why this hard end screen is not showing. It's showing that this video is not up to 25 seconds, so therefore it's not going to show. But end screen, if you don't know what end screen is that box. You see little boxes that you see it on the screen here, little boxes that is going to appear at the end of your video. So why that particular end screen is very important is because once a viewer watch your video to the end and that end screen pop up, it will show them your recent videos or any of your videos of your choice that you select for it to show to your viewers, right? So once your viewer click on it, that is an extra view. You understand? That is an extra view. You see why it's very important, because it boosts your views too. It boosts your video views. So it is very important for you to always add end screen to your video. So you come to this place where you add cards, you click on it, so it will bring you to this place. There are different types of cards here. We have the video playlist channel. So this video is when you select videos of your choice to add to this video. So once a viewer is watching your video, you will see the title of your video popping up at the top of your video. So that is cards, like it's letting your viewers know that you have more videos for them to watch. So whichever one that attracts them, they can just click and go and watch them. So this is playlist, where you can add playlist. That is the sweetest part of this card. You can add video, you can add playlist, and you can also add channel. That channel shows to show them that please subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more at the top of your video as that video is playing. You understand? So now let's go ahead and do this. Let me use video for this particular tutorial. So once you click on that video, all your video will pop out. So these are your videos, right? So let me just choose this for this particular tutorial. Go for this. You see it here. You see how to increase your YouTube recommendation. So once you upload that, you come to this place, this tag here, and set it the time you want to set. You want it to appear on your video while it is playing to your viewers, right? So you set it here. So once, if you want to add more, videos, like more videos to it, like you want to add more videos to it, you click on this plus sign here, you click on video. But if you don't want to add video, if you want to add playlist, you come to this place and click on playlist. Then to bring it to your playlist. So now these are all my playlists. I want this particular playlist to show in this video. I click on this playlist. You see it's loading. This is it here, up here, right? So if I want it to show, I want it to be very far from the first one I uploaded, then I bring it to this place. So it will show this, it will show when my video is playing and it gets to this place, that is when it will show here, right? So I just want you to pay attention to this. It is very, very simple. It's just for us to know what we are doing, and you're going to get it right. So let's add this plus sign again to add. Maybe we want to add channel. Let me show you how to do this channel. You come to this place, you search for your name, Lizzie the creator, Lizzie the creator. So let me just see my has popped up here. So you click on it, right? So once you click on it, you can just drag it to this place. It has uploaded, which is I'm going to show you what to do now. Just calm down so you see what I'm going to show you. You drag it to this place. This is when I want it to show, maybe towards the end of this video, so it will show here. Then you come to this place, you scroll down. Now the channel Lizzie the Creator, right? See it here. Then the custom message, what I want to add, what I want it to appear in this video. So I'll come, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. You can put any one of your choice. Please subscribe. Then please subscribe for more. Please okay, subscribe for more. Let me just say subscribe for more. Visit. So click on done. So as this video is playing, that is how you'll be seeing this please subscribe for more at the top of the video. You see, most of all these features are very, very important, so you have to take your time and do these particular features. If you want to get more visibilities to your channel, you have to upload the right way and add these features to it. So once you are done with everything, make sure you click on save. So if you feel this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, like and share this video so to get a whole lot of people that don't know how to upload the videos the right way. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you on our next one, guys. Bye.